Hey, what's up everyone? Today in this video we are gonna talk about this boy, this Realme 7i. After 2 months in this full review, let's see how it works. As it's after 2 months review, we don't need to unbox this phone again as this phone has already been used. As first glance, this Realme 7i, it looks good. It feels good on hand and it looks good at first glance. And from the front view, it looks so similar with its big brother Realme 7 Pro. And in the back, it almost the same with the Realme 7 Pro with a little bit color changes. And the sharp edges, I don't like that. I don't know why Realme did that because that feels irritating. So that's not. And it has a good point too. On the below, it has a headphone jack. It's a budget phone, so having a headphone jack is good. On the left side, you are getting a micro SD card slot and a dual SIM slot. And on the right side, of course, you are getting a power button and a volume rocker. And other things are fresh. These sharp edges, it feels little bit annoying for the long time users. Realme could do that a simple view, but I don't know why they did that. It feels light. It has 188 grams, so for the long time users, you definitely can use this phone without feeling so hefty on your hand. The fingerprint is on the back, so it has this physical fingerprint. That's satisfying feel you can get to unlock this phone, which you will miss on having on-screen fingerprint. So the camera module and other design, it goes. I wish it has a matte finish, but it's a glossy, though it has a fingerprint magnet because of this glossy back. On the front, you are getting a 6.5-inch IPS display, which is good because it has a 19Hz smooth display. So though it's a budget phone, you can definitely enjoy a higher experience. It has a Snapdragon 662, which is not so high-end chipset, but you can use and play some high-end graphics game like PUBG, Free Fire or Call of Duty. These games run so smoothly. It has 4GB or 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. And for the full gameplay review, you can check the link in the top cards or in the description. These devices can run games so smoothly and nice. Okay, for the camera, on the front you are getting a 16-megapixel wide-angle camera for your amazing capturing selfie. On the back you are getting a quad camera setup, which is 64-megapixel camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Though I didn't expect this kind of pictures from this phone because it's a budget phone, which is cost under 20,000 Bangladeshi taka. So the pictures, I thought it would be bad kind of pictures, but it has a similar camera setup with the Realme 7 Pro and Realme 6 Pro previous generation, and the pictures that came out from this phone is so good. It's not the better and best kind of quality, but it's good. Under 20,000 Bangladeshi budget taka segment price phone, these pictures came some details and sharp kind of photos, so it's definitely great with this budget. This Realme 7i has a huge and better and larger than the Realme 7 Pro, which is 5000 mAh battery. So it's definitely a bigger battery than the Realme 7 Pro, which is its big brother. But it also has a fast charging 18W supported and the charger in the box. Though it's not so higher end charging system, but for this budget, it's enough to have this. Realme 7i running Realme 1, which is one of the best Realme skin I think out there because it's almost similar with stock Android kind of look and less bloatware free. Only some apps that preloaded, you can even uninstall that. So that's definitely great. It also have app drawer and some other customizations and features that you need, like app locks and other things. You are all getting these kind of customization and all features in this skin. It also has a system-wide dark mode, so definitely that's a great. And Realme also announced that this device will get Realme UI 2, which will be based on Android 11. So you are getting newest Android on this device probably in the next year. Also, the beta version will be released so soon. So in this budget, this Realme software kind of experience is really great. It's even better than the Xiaomi Mi UI and other skins. So that's really good to have this. It's with its smooth experience. So if we compare with its bigger brother, which is Realme 7 Pro, you are getting almost kind of similar looking on the back, except the fingerprint and color system, and a little bit larger display than the Realme 7 Pro, because Realme 7 Pro has a 6.4 and Realme 7i has a 6.5 inch, though the slightest difference, but it's different. And though Realme 7 Pro has a AMOLED screen and Realme 7i has a IPS, but on front and on back it almost identical with these two phones. So that's definitely great sense, because within the budget price you are getting a high-end kind of phone kind of look. So that's definitely great. Of course, in the internal part you are not getting the same, but it's a budget phone, man. So you can run your daily task, playing games and everything else you need to do, like the Realme 7 Pro. So if you need to see the Realme 7 Pro review, check the link in the card or in the description. So at last I wanna say, if you are thinking about getting a phone under 20,000 Bangladeshi taka, you definitely should check this out, because it's a good phone value under 20,000 taka, and it has a great camera setup, 19Hz display, which feels amazing and smooth kind of experience, which you will not find in any other phones like the Xiaomi or Oppo or other branded. So definitely you should check this out. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. I'm oheduzzamanx and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.